Welcome to another YouTube video. So here we're doing a skin mid fade full tutorial. We're going to start off with the number 2 guard and go midway to remove the bulk. We're going to start with first making the line. You don't want to push too hard while making the line because it's hard to take out. So you just want to give it a light tap, just making a ring around the head. Now I'm going to remove the hair using the wall bowling clipper, just removing all the bulks on the side. Here I got the Bronze Series 9. I'm just gonna shave it, make it all skin one level. And you don't want to go all the way up to the line, so it's hard for you to take out. Just under the line, just a centimeter under. So here I've got the number 1 guard and I'm going 1 inch up to set the first guideline. And you just want to flick up, you don't want to go straight up as you can see me here doing. I'm just going flicking up with the number 1 guard. So here I got my number 2 guard and I'm going another inch up and I want to flick. I don't want to go straight up, but going towards the top I want to flick out. I'm gonna work my way downwards, so I started with the 1.5. Now I'm just doing it under the where I created the number 2. I started with the open lever, then I'm gonna close the lever, and this I just want to So now I got my number 1 guard and I'm just flicking at that line where we created the 1.5, and you want to start with it closed and then halfway and then all the way closed, one closed, As you can see me flicking it, not going straight up, just working on that line we created. So now I got my 0.5 guard and I'm flicking at the bottom line. You want to start with the close and just make it lighter. As you can see, it's going lighter using the 0.5 guard all the way close, and you just want to flick at that bottom line.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Now this is the bottom line. I'm using my wall legends and I'm just flicking from 0.5 halfway, then all the way close, just knocking out that bottom line, as you can see me doing here. So here I'm doing a freehand, just removing the hair on the side, just making it all straight and level. Now I'm gonna get my number 2 guard and remove the bulk on the front where I'm gonna do the box, so it's gonna be nice and sharp when I set it in. Just remove the hair on the sides, remove it less heavier. I'm just combing the hair down, so when I set in the line, you want to start off in the middle and make your way to the side, and you want to make it straight. see, I'm blading it up now and I'm stretching the skin while I do it, so no cuts. So here's the cut. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.